Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. I have a little hexagon canvas on my spinner this morning. Now, okay, you know I really love the funnel pours that I've been doing. I really do, I love them. Every single one that I have done has turned out different, unique. You know, the coloring, the lacing, the clouding, everything is, very pretty. I'm really happy with all of it. But I really want a funnel pour with more color. I really do. I'm battling to really get colors to come through on them. So I'm going to try again. Okay, but this time I'm only going to put the Decarte satin enamels in once. And let's see what happens then, because I've been putting it in, a couple times while layering the paint into the funnel. I've been putting the satin enamels in quite a lot. I'm only going to put it in once at the end, and that's it. And let's see what happens. So this is just a white base, just to cover the canvas. I don't know. I don't think so. There are parts of it that are really pretty. The top part is really pretty. There are some cells here that are really pretty, but no. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I am first of all going to find my paintbrush, and I'm just going to take some of this that I've just scraped off here and just to cover the canvas. Okay, all right. And I'm going to get my funnel. Oh, my hair just landed in the paint. Never mind. Okay. Rethink. Right, we're back. Okay. Let's see what happens now. It is interesting. Let's see if I can bring this down that way. and bring some of that blue down. I think if I can just get that off, then I'll leave it. Maybe that white also. There. That's better. Well, actually, that's not bad. That's not bad. That is very different. Look, I do have color up here on the top. And I do have some color in this clouding. I've got blue and pink clouding going on, and white clouding. So that's actually quite nice. I like that. And then some nice coloring and cells going on up top here. Yeah, I actually like that. Hold on. I'm going to take, I'm going to take this off, put it on my tray, put it up on some cups, and just clean up here, because what a disaster. and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. I like that. I like it. Hold on a sec. All right, there it is. So, it is not bad. There are, like I said, some really pretty colors down the sides. Really pretty cells. So that's the pink side, and then it turns to blue. So that's very pretty. And then in the clouding, there is some blue in there, there's some pink in there, and then some lacing in the clouding. It's actually very cool. Some cells popping up there. It's really cool. I like it. There is color. I wanted color, and there is. It's very different. I actually really do like this. Really like this. I love this clouding down here. Very cool. Very cool. I'm happy with that. It took me 3 attempts, but I'm happy with what I landed up with finally. So there we go, everyone. Thank you. Another video, another painting done. I will be back either on Wednesday or Saturday, depending how my week goes. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and supporting me. And please share the video with your friends, anybody who you think would enjoy it. And I will see you in the next video when we create another really cool painting. See you next time, everyone. Bye.